we've just been chasing these birds around. The birds are everywhere and the tuna are schooling up everywhere, so. Oh, that's big. There we go, little flight. Launched a run. Oof. Fast? Yeah. Woo. Charter boat all done. 4 hours, pretty quick one actually. We just trolled the whole time. I got a little bit sick at the end. Everyone was getting a little bit sick. The seas were pretty rough, but apparently they were the best conditions in a long time. So I'm pretty grateful for what we have at home. But we got tuna. Got a couple tuna, a couple red meats to take home. I would have loved some white meat stuff, but maybe we can make some poke bowls or some sashimi. Try it out, test a few things that I search on Google. But it was good fun. The only problem with those charters, and I had a feeling it'd be the case, is you're not doing much of the fishing. Yeah, you're doing the reeling, but they're picking the fish up. They're tying everything on, they're throwing it out. Like all you're doing is the reeling. It's kind of like you're just helping them get the fish for them to sell. But hey, can say I fished in Hawaii, which is cool. On to the next thing, that was sick. Okay, here it is, the big day. We are going to the Nepali coast on a boat tour today. Let me show you a photo real quick. I don't need to say much more after seeing that photo. This is the dreamiest AI looking place you'll ever go to. Come along with us, this is going to be epic. This is going to slide right into the top 3, I reckon. The top 3 experiences for the first month and a half.
Guess how much parking just cost us?
$40? 35?
33.
Who cares? Look at the water there. Oh, the little baby! That's a cool family photo, eh? We made it to Kauai Beach. It's breathtaking, eh? It's the coolest family photo ever.
But this is world famous Kauai Beach. The Kauai Cathedrals is what we're trying to do.
Yeah, go.
I got
him. There's gonna be. Morning. Day 2 in Kauai. Today we are hiking in the Nepali coast. Yeah, this is an 8-mile hike, which for those at home, I think that's 12 or 13 kilometers. Yeah, we do. Oh, I'm already out of breath.
This is going to be a longer day than we thought.
We're nearly at the waterfall. Yeah, bro, we need to swim bad. That is cold.
to be dramatic. That was, I think, the hardest thing I've ever done, or the hardest hike I've ever done.
Hey, imagine walking 14 kilometers up, or climbing 14 kilometers up steep rocks and having to take huge steps in the sun is actually not an easy feat. Yeah. But
do you have enough water? No.
We need more water. Hey, so we're down. Ooh. Ooh. Volcanic rocks hurt. Here we go. That's the spot. That's the spot. That's a bigger one.
Ooh. Ooh.
This was our first little colourful one. It looks like a thermal imaging pattern and we couldn't believe it. Little Ashley had to have a go. She got a big one, actually. We'd cook that if we were desperate. I got another one very similar, probably the same one to be honest, but this is when it all started.
Oh yes! Yes! Holy shit! It's one of those! Yes! Damn! Oh! 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 On the wall, man, run! Yes! Oh my god! Yes!
As you can tell by that video, I was stoked with this catch, man. It's a black-tailed snapper. Pretty good eating, apparently. Give him a good view of what land looks like, and then I decided to chop him up. Bang, straight into 2 tidy little fillets. Yummy. To celebrate Kauai being the second best place on our list so far, we thought we'd come somewhere completely out of our budget. Cheers.
If you don't laugh, you'll cry.
In front of the mountains, Hanalei Bay 1.
I thought we'd send it off with a bang, baby.
So, thank you very much for watching. Cheers. Subscribe if you get a chance.
Cheers to that. Sorry to everyone working at home. Say it again. 2 hours later, we're still here and the sun is setting. That's beautiful. Yeah, cheers.
What a nice sunset.